have had this Bobo VR strap battery combo for the Pico 4 for so long, and I think I'm finally gonna get to test it out. But not in this video. In this video, we're gonna be testing out the Pico. I'm too excited about this. Let's get this thing open. Now, a special thank you for Pico for sending this all the way over here. I don't know if I should save any of this stuff. Maybe I'll rip some of this stuff off. It's probably not important. Better not be important. So close yet so far. Open. They email me later. There was an important contract in there. This thing had to travel across the world. Dang it, I didn't cut it enough. Come on, small sharp unboxing knife is slacking today. There we go. Now I'm wondering, are we gonna get the full real unboxing experience inside of here? Is this a full retail box? Or since it went international, oh, it's a full retail box. That makes me happy. Okay. Pico full, wow, that's shiny. Imagination, the only limitation. I should get voiceover work, that sounded pretty good. In the box, a VR headset, 2 controllers, 4 1.5 volt AA alkaline batteries, glasses, spacer, nose pad, 2 controller lanyards. Oh man, I just wanna savor this moment and not open it too quick. So this is the Pico 4, still not available in the US, hopefully someday. But if you were to get one elsewhere, I believe it's $5.99. Being very gentle. It's not every day you get a whole new headset that you've never experienced from a company you've never even experienced. It's not like getting an HTC Vive Pro, like you've tried a Vive and the Vive Pro is better. Not even like a Quest 2 when you've tried a Quest 1. This is something that I've just never dealt with. The box gets a lot cheaper feeling when you take that cover off, but what can you do? Oh, I think I got this upside down. Hang on. There we go. Pico. I should have worn my Pico bucket hat they gave me when I saw them. This is one of those boxes that is like perfectly sealed in such a way that the airspace won't let it open. Like you're fighting it the whole time. Oh, geez, that is strangely heavy. There must be stuff in here. Whew. All that weight and all that box to pick this thing up, and it feels so light. It's so light, it almost makes it feel like it might be cheap. Let's find out how light this is. There's so many stickers on, I can't even do anything with it. I guess I'll just try and see if it'll balance. About 600 grams, we'll say. There is some stickers on there. There's this one on the back that won't let you turn the dial. There's ones on the inside telling you how to move the lenses. Boy, the lenses look big. There's this one saying don't let the sun shine in. Boy, those lenses look so clean. Kept noticing this thing's trying to slip off because it's magnetic. Just makes sense. Every facial interface going forward should probably be magnetic. Oh, more stickers. Oh, that one left a bunch of gross residue. The top strap is very thin and sharp on the edges. I'm hoping this design wouldn't really need a top strap. Geez, there's stickers everywhere. They want this thing to come in pristine shape, apparently. Oh my gosh, they're not continuous stickers. If you're one of those people that really loves taking stickers off things, you're gonna love this headset. I got it just for the sticker peeling. Oh, look at that though. That's a nice reveal. Nice little surprise there. Looks like there's 5 cameras on the front, 1 hidden in the back. Smells like a new product. Wow, the strap only adjusts from the back. That's kind of weird and different. That is not a comfortable facial interface. For my cheekbones, it is pushing right on them. Although the headset is so surprisingly light, it doesn't feel that bad, like, cause you can just kind of have it resting there. It doesn't need to like squeeze in, but oh man, if I try to tighten it down, I bet when I pull this off, there's gonna be some marks on my face even from a short time. Right here, let's see. Maybe? I don't know, I can't see myself. Definitely for my face shape, right there is pushing. But again, it's like, weirdly lightweight. Excited to see this thing in action. Controllers. Oh, okay. Fancy little step there. So when you push on that, it just kind of opens up and then you can pull this whole compartment out. Kind of nifty, I like it. It's weird because I see these and I think PSVR, I want to like put my hand in them, but no, this just goes like this. Vibrations are pleasant. The ring placement, although they're pretty big and they stick up a lot, it feels like you wouldn't hit them as often on things because I think about like coming up to my head with something or like reloading a gun. It's definitely harder to hit these back here where they put them. So that's a smart design. What else are we missing out on in this box? Is this just books and crap? This is pretty heavy for just books and crap. Probably all the cables that they promised us. Yep, there's the weight. So here's the nose guard right here that's optional. Are you also magnetic? That would impress me. So far, I'm not feeling impressed. That can't be how that goes, right? Nope. It really looks like that's how that goes. Does it go this way? Aha. Feels like that'll give it a little better light coverage. Nope. What the frick? Oh, well, you're not magnetic. Top strap is just like this little metal clip, and it doesn't like clip in place. What holds it there is your facial interface being in place. Then that's never gonna come undone. But if you don't have it on there, it's not really attached. So something to be cautious of. Yeah, light cover, definitely a nice addition. I'm not seeing any light now where I was seeing a lot. Definitely not comfortable on the face, but we'll deal with that in a bit. You must be the glasses spacer. Are you also magnetic? Oh, yes, you are. I love it. I love magnets. Magnets are magic. I bet you there were many people back in the day burned at the stake because of magnets. Someone tried to show people how cool they were and they were like, "Which?" Oh boy, Houston, we may have a problem. Luckily, it's a USB-C cable. It's not like I can't just use an adapter for it. This definitely isn't sold in America, as you can tell, because this is some kind of, it says EU on that thing, so it's some kind of EU plug. The box is in French. Maybe this is the France headset. A USB-C to USB-C cable is gonna work fine for my purposes, so. Oh, and then the controller lanyards. I guess we gotta figure out how these work. Very small, very light. They feel cheap, but they feel like they'll do the job. And obviously you should always use them. There's a QR code, maybe that shows me how to install them. It couldn't just be as simple as like, just put this around here and shove it through, could it? That would seem like such a not elegant solution. Boy, the way the rings are designed, unlike the PSVR controllers, it's definitely a lot easier to find these on your hands and get them in the right position. Okay, well, let's try a quick power up before I take this thing away to go test it out for a while. Obviously, it's gonna be a bit before I can come back at you and finish out this video because I got a lot of testing to do, but let's at least see if we can get the opening experience here. It says Pico. Screen door effect even on just the Pico logos there. There's glare around it because it's a black background with the white Pico, but it's not like God rays like you normally get. It's more like a haze. Does the Pico have built-in speakers? I really don't know much about the Pico because it's never been available here. I will say though, the screen looks pretty good. Considering that I spend a lot of my time in a Quest Pro, this actually looks pretty good. All right, lens is immediately fogging up because it's kind of warm in here and it's kind of wet in here. Sign up. Okay, yeah, I gotta go through all the signups and stuff, so we'll come back to that. But I will say, boy, jumping right in, it's noticeably not the biggest field of view. Like I definitely feel like I got kind of a binocular effect, not only on the sides, but like even around the top. But the screen itself looks nice and clear. I'm excited to spend more time with this and come back at you, so we'll be back in a few weeks.